be fun. Buddy of ours had actually painted it. He used a single stage. He wasn't quite happy with the, you can see all the orange peel it's got. It's not bad, but he wants it good. It's got a good shine to it for a single stage. But it's just littered with orange peel. And it's got some tiger striping in it too. He didn't like it. A few dents needs working. Look at that guy. And that guy, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's got like a roll right here. There it is. Try to get him out. And that bulge there. So anyway, I propose we go same color. This is a Mercedes orange color. I can't remember the name of it. You remember the name of it? Like Sheffield orange or something, some modern color. It's got a lot of metallic in it. It's a pretty color. But I propose we use this and block it down and get it flat and fix all the dings and dents and shoot a base clear over it. I think he'll be happier with the shine that a clear coat gives you versus a single stage. And the camera doesn't do it justice. But it's just orange peel and a tiger stripe. And he's got a sleeper. We're gonna spray that sleeper. I think we're gonna get slick with it and maybe do this color and maybe a blue stripe that comes in, kicks back, goes all the way around the sleeper. I think it look killer. Let's get the sanding on it in the freezing weather. And this old gal's got the big cat and she's punched out. It's hot. It's hot. I'll tell you what, boy, she is hot. That's a unit. What, a 98 Pete? Man. That's a rig with a 18 speed in it. You can kind of see some of the stuff we're gonna fix there. Get some of the uglies out of it. Yes, sir. Nice. It's nice.
It's nice.
Got a little. Problem single stage, if a bug gets in it, he leaves a trail of metallic wherever he goes. That's kind of where he ended up at. The joker. Well, it was a rivet. He had to replace that brace inside here. It was a rivet that was causing that piece here to bulge. So we cut a trap door, pulled it open, thinking this was steel. We just bring our MIG out here and buzz it shut. But it's aluminum. Good thing for us, we are expert tigsmen. Now you can see the orange peel right there. This 400 will cut that orange peel out, so when we spray our base, we'll be on a flat surface. All right, well, just some 400 over right quick. You can see, still shiny, so we need to keep sanding. Still shiny. We'll get this dude flat. And it'll be better for it.
3 hours later.
Alright, a little bit more sanding to do. We're gonna be shooting some color on this big gal. We got most of the dings fixed. A couple left. Sandy. We still ain't got to the fun part. We're still fixing dings and peckles and whatnots and whatnots. That's a bad thing. You can't have shiny anywhere, so every one of these rivets has got to be hand sanded so we can get good adhesion from a new paint. This is like day 2 of just sanding rivets. But we got her flat, so 379 all looks slick when we get done with her. She had a wrinkle there, we fixed. She had some dingage there, we fixed. But again, every rivet. Oh, Pete, there's plenty of them. We're getting the dust rinsed off of her. We was going to spray it yesterday, and it's just too many rivets. We was going to spray it today, it's just too many rivets. We finally got all rivets sanded and 400'd. Went over to Scotch-Brite, washed it. We went right on the corner to take some soap. We're getting the soap off of it now. We're gonna let it dry. In the morning, we'll start taping up and getting some color laid. I can't wait. Now we've got our blue sprayed. Our stripe's gonna live in there somewhere. We'll tape up our stripe, paint the rest of the truck that Mercedes red, untape our stripe, and then clear coat the whole unit. Good color though, pretty color. Got some metallic to it. Okay, now the tricky part. We gotta get our measurements laid out. We're gonna keep our stripe. We're gonna keep it about the width of the handle. We're gonna get real fancy with it and technical. We're gonna start throwing some measurements down. All right, we've got our design put on it. We're going with this look here. We put a nice radius on it. Same radius matches the bottom. We're gonna leave the inside with a point, just for a contrast. So you end up, like I say, when we paint everything red, we take this off. You're left with these two blue metallic stripes that run down. That actually looks like it ends up being one, but it's just got a split. I think that looks pretty fire. Look how straight she is. Check him out. Now we just got to do the other side to match it. Then we can mask up the glass, get it in the shop, and get some red going down today. We got our stripes taped off just how we wanted them. Got this side taped off just how we wanted it. We're going to stick it down a little better, it seems. Then we get it in, get the glass taped up, start shooting some red. We are getting close. We're taping up windows. Tyler had to run and get a ladder, but it ain't gonna be long. We'll be able to get a shot. We got windows taped. Windshield, no harm, no foul. It's getting replaced to it. We can keep it up there for a paint barrier. So we got door glasses taped. We left that one important window there taped up so we can see out of it. Waiting on Tyler with a ladder. That's gonna look groovy. All right, we are painting in the body shop because this dude's not gonna fit in the booth. We wet our floor. We're tack clothing her down. I see some dust all over, but time we get it tacked down, we should be ready to spray. We put a big bucket of doo-doo in the corner so the flies goes over there. We're ready. All right, wish us luck. She's a big girl. There we go. What a color. Well, that's one coat down. It's still packing out. That's a base coat. It'll dry flat as wall paint when it's dry. Okay, we just stopped. First coat's down. Looking good. We've got a little bit of dark there. Second coat of kill. That stuff covers really good. That's Nissan's XL paint line. It's a wonderful paint. It's not very translucent. It's got a lot of pigment to it. All right, that's about 3 good coats. And then we did a glitter bomb for the 4th. So you put your coats down with a metallic. On your last coat, you stay far away, do a wide fan. We call it glitter bomb. It makes the metallic come out and lay down. We have 0 model, that's good. And boy, you can really tell the difference between the cheaper single stage and the XL. The single stage looked almost red, but with the XL, this is supposed to be almost a copper color. It is beautiful. I love the color. Makes you sit with that clear coat on it. There we go. Now we're pulling it off and revealing our blue stripe we painted earlier. Fixing every little ugly. That's what you look like with the stripe. It'll be, you know, that for those are vertically challenged. We got our clear coat going on. Tyler is crushing it. Folks, I'm talking about that XL. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. That is good stuff. See the difference between a single stage and like a base clear. This is one coat. It gets way shiny on the second coat. Alright, that is our second coat of the Nissan XL clear coat down. Phenomenal shine. I tell you, we sprayed a lot of paint out here. The XL, it's next to impossible to make it run. You can throw a flow coat down. I mean, there's a Super Bee sitting in the reflection. You can get a flow coat down and, man, not have to worry about it. Last coat. We have burnt the midnight hour up. Running lucky. We had to mix up a little bit more. Oh, I'm telling you what, that is quite some reflection on it. Straight out of the gun. That's impressive. We got a nice cloud floating.
Wow, man. That's some heavy shit.
Oh, the color though, man. I'm telling you what, he picked a good one. I love it. There's my big mug. Next day. Hey, that's good. Woo! It's good. We don't have the hood latch ain't on it yet, so that's not gonna. That line will line up when the hood latch gets on. Beautiful. Can't wait till sunlight gets on it now. Can't wait till all the chrome's back on it. That looks wonderful. I like the colors together. Slick. We got a silver pinstripe. It's going to break all of it up. It's nice. Okay. Now we got to do the sleeper. I may go ahead and make a video out of this, and I don't know if I'm gonna sit with sleeper on, but we can do another one. Or we can keep filming and do the sleeper together, should we? No, we ain't gonna get to because Kevin's putting the sleeper on. So we'll make a video out of this.